Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a bright and colorful summer makeup look. I am definitely making up for missing a video on last Monday. I do apologize for that. I was just having a stressful day the day that I filmed my Makeup Monday video. I like to pre-film my videos so I have time off during the week just to spend time with my little girl, take care of myself, because girl, this belly is getting bigger by the day. And that day it was just, I had no inspiration. Nothing was working out, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to take the day off and not worry about it. Thank you to every single one of you who reached out to me with sweet comments and letting me know, girl, it's okay, take care of yourself, relax. So today's Makeup Monday is going to be very bright, very colorful. I decided to play with yellow and pink. I have the BH Cosmetics Mimosa palette. If you guys remember, I did a full review on their lunch brunch collection, which if you missed, I will have it posted somewhere up here. You can just click on that and watch the review. But I had been dying to play with this palette. When I picked it up, I was like, okay, I know that I want to create something pink and yellow, and this is kind of like, I guess, what I came up with. A very pretty pink lemonade, very mimosa-ish colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Grab your pencils, grab your palettes, and grab your hot Cheetos, grab your limon, grab your tapatio, grab your water because it's going to get spicy in here. And let's go ahead and get started with Makeup Monday's tutorial. We're going to start off with the outer corner. So I am going to take the shade Pomegranate, and this is one of the darkest shades in the palette. And I'm going to apply it right here. This does have a slight, like, I don't know, it's almost like a strawberry red, but there's definitely some pink undertones. And I'm not going to bring this up too high. If you guys can see where my fold naturally is, I'm not going to go above that because we are going to apply more colors. I'm going to bring this into the crease, packing it as I go. I am not blending yet. I'm not worried about blending. I'm dipping back into the eyeshadow, and I'm going to keep on packing. By packing on the color, you guys are really going to get that nice, crisp, vibrant color from your eyeshadow versus just going in and immediately blending it out. You're going to lose so much pigmentation, and I feel like you almost work twice as hard because, you know, you have to like go back and like reblend, reapply, reblend, reapply. And this way it kind of gives you like your color, it's there, but you don't have to worry about going back and applying so much color. I am going to clean off my brush using, as always, my Vermona color switch, and I'm going to switch into the shade Raspberry. This one is slightly more pink, and it's still a little deep, but not as deep as Pomegranate. And that one's going to go right into the crease, into the eye socket. That's just going to help us blend Pomegranate. So I'm going to make sure that I apply it right on top, but not overlapping, just almost meeting each other. And if you guys notice, I am using the tip of the brush to get more precision. This is why I love this brush, because you can either use it flat to pack on, or you can use it on the tip, and it really cleans the crease for you. So I'm just going back and forth with my brush and the eyeshadow, making sure that it's nicely packed. I want a little punch of color into the actual crease, so I am going to go back to my palette and pick up the shade Sunny, a gorgeous vibrant yellow, and I'm just going to switch brushes so I don't disturb the color that I have laid on my brush. So I'm going to take the Morphe M514, and I am going to use this on the very top. Oh wow, this color is beautiful. I'm so glad that I finally got to play with this palette. It is definitely one of my favorites. I am going to have to go back and probably really intensify the yellow, because even though it is showing up, it's not as like boom vibrant as I wanted it to be. So I'm going to work on the yellow for a few minutes. I'm going to go in now and start cutting the crease. I'm just going to use my concealer, and I'm going to use this AOA Studio E115 brush. I typically use this to carve out my brows, but I'm just going to use this to go in and cut the crease. I'm going to go back into the outer crease, and I'm quickly going to work on the colors on the very end. So again, taking a little bit of pomegranate, applying that into the very edge of the crease, or the end, like the outer corner, the outer V. And slowly bringing that in. A little bit of raspberry as well. Because the base is still a little bit wet, I am going to take a flat brush, something like this, and I am going to get it wet. Once I have that, I am going to go into the shade Pop, which is a gorgeous pinky color. I'm going to apply that right here. Oh my gosh. You guys, this color is everything. And I'm slowly blending it back. I'm going to take the shade Champagne, and hopefully this is yellow enough. And I'm going to apply that to the inner corner. Okay, this is not as yellow as I wanted it to be, so I'm actually going to dig into Firefly. This is the e.l.f. and J. Kissa palette, which is another affordable palette. So any shimmery yellow that you guys may have, apply that to the inner corner. Oh yes, that is definitely more like it. I'm excited to use this eyeliner because I haven't been able to use it. This is a brand new Milani Fruit Fetish Stay Put Bright Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Mango Me Crazy. If you guys haven't seen my review of the Fruit Fetish collection, I will have it linked somewhere up here. Make sure you guys go watch it because I reviewed the entire collection, and I did let you guys know that it seemed like the yellow might crack. So we're actually going to put that to the test right now. Okay, this eyeliner is definitely hard to use. I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. I tried to save this eyeliner as much as I could, but honestly, it was so hard. What I recommend you guys to do is to actually use something thin like this. This is the e.l.f. and J. Kissa brush, and then just dip it into the eyeliner because the wand is a little thick and I have slightly hooded eyes, so it was it was a struggle to get in there, but I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara, and in case you guys are wondering, I am going to do the same, oh, I just scratched my nose. I'm going to do the same steps on the lower lash line, just adding the raspberry colors for my lashes today. I'm going to go in with the Lily lashes in the style Miami. I do have a dupes video if you guys are interested in these lashes, the lash style, but you don't want to pay the price. I do have a video that I will link up here. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on that to finish off the eyes really quickly, and I think that'll be the end of this video, you guys. Okay, you guys, and here is the final look. What do you guys think of this really pretty pink lemonade summer look? I am feeling so colorful with obviously the eyes, the cute little butterflies, the earrings. P.S. These earrings are from one of my friends here on YouTube. Her name is Sylvette Escobar. I will have her Instagram business name where she has these cute little earrings. I am obsessed with them. I have been wanting to use these, and this is a perfect look. And if you guys are wondering where I got the little butterflies from, I literally stole them from my 7-year-old. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope as always you recreate it. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or send me your pictures through my DM so I can show you some love and repost you on my Insta stories. Thank you guys so much for being here. There goes my dogs again. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.